Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. I'm back with another video on how to download Bigo Live Light application on your smartphone. So if you'd like to do that, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you're using an Android, tap open your Play Store, but if you're using your iOS, you can tap open your App Store and go to the search box and type in Bigo Live Light and make your search. In the search results displayed on the next page, tap on the install button right next to the Bigo Live Light application and the download will begin. Wait until the download finishes. It will only take a few seconds if you have a strong internet connection to your device. Wait until it installs on your device and you'll be good to go with Bigo Live Light. The Bigo Live Light is the light version of the popular social network that lets you connect with others through live videos. You can also follow other users, watch their channels, and participate in their broadcasts as well. Once the application gets downloaded, you can simply see the open button popping out in the display right next to the app. Tap it on, and there you have installed Bigo Live Light application on your device. Now you can simply go ahead and type in your Bigo Live phone number that is associated with the account and log into your account just like that. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. We'll be back soon with more tutorial content. Again, thank you for watching.